Wouldn't it be nice to get away to the beach for a little R&R right about now? Of course it would, and with that would come lots of great food. Well, maybe we can't get to the beach, but the dish we're whipping up today will certainly make us feel like we're there, and it comes together in no time. We saute some chopped garlic in a bit of olive oil till it's golden. Just make sure you keep an eye on it, because it can go from golden to burnt in no time. Now we add in a couple cans of chopped clams, yep, with the juice and all. A bit more clam juice, some chopped parsley, and a few seasonings that we have right in our pantry. While that simmers, we cook up a pound of linguine, and after we drain it, we top it with the clam sauce, and dinner is ready. And if you really want to go to town, how about steaming a few fresh clams to top this off with to make it even more beach-worthy? Either way, when you serve up steaming bowls of this, topped with some grated Parmesan cheese, get ready for the taste of summer. So what do you say you grab your flip-flops, a straw hat, and the recipe for our Seashore Linguine so you can have a midwinter getaway without leaving the house? I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a summery way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.